Happiness is when your 3D printers are cooperating with you and working right away, and they're making some more of my gnome creations, and these are things that I am preparing for the retreat in December of this year. Although this is only January, some of these things take quite a while to make. Like, for example, this ruler rack with the gnomes on the end, that takes 2.5 days to print. And the other is a pattern holder, and it takes a day and a half to print. So I'm doing a little print mill of 3D prints. I love it.